In this video, I want to talk to you about a really simple graph, this one over here, which I'll take you through in a second, which really helped me prepare for meetings and workshops and clinics and whatever you want to call it. At the end of the day, you meet people, come together to do something. You want them actively involved in something. This will help you prepare better. And if you can prepare better, you know what kind of meeting it is, it will help the participants participate better. Anyway, let me tell you what it is, and then let me run you through it. Will you go away? I'm literally just working over here and he's just making noise behind me. Go away, Barry. Hey, we'll feed him in a minute. All right, so what you'll see over here is you and others. You in this case is you are facilitating. When you're facilitating, that's you over here. That's K and UK, known and unknown. Yeah. On this side, it says others. These are the people in the room, the participants, the clients, whatever you want to call them. And then there's also known to unknown. I'll give you an example. Let's say that you know you have the information that you need, and others, they have the information they need. And it's time to decide or take action. If you all come together, you have all the information that's available. I'm pretty sure that the reason you bring them together is to then go, so what are we going to do? And you're going to take actions and next steps and plan, those kind of things. That's decision making, convergent thinking session. Now let's say that you have lots of unknowns. You don't know, but they know. This is when you then ask or inquire, or you open up the conversation. This is typically, say, scoping any client work that we get on our path. The first thing we will do is ask lots of questions, because they may have been struggling. Let's say it's a client, they may have been struggling with this issue for weeks, months, years even. We usually come in really fresh and really new. So we need to spend time asking lots of questions to understand the context of what is going on. Then let's say that you know you have lots of information, but they don't know. What do you bring people together then? Well, then you come in to share. This could be things like maybe you've done a survey online. You've asked a bunch of your customers to give you feedback on something, on a new website or whatever. This is where the information goes from you to them. By the way, when I say you, it doesn't mean you just have to facilitate by yourself. This could be a couple of people know, other people need to have the information. Anyway, this is sharing of information. I think sometimes maybe learning could be in here, training, I guess, maybe. Yeah, it's where you share tools, frameworks, just thought. And then here is where you don't know and they don't know, and it's a bit open. This is where you then explore. This is divergent thinking. People love to play because there are no real wrong answers. Now, these are of course not perfectly cordoned off from each other. Sometimes a meeting will have several parts. First we explore, a couple of ideas, and we make decisions. Maybe we share information first, and based on that information, we then make a decision. It could be where we ask lots of questions first, and then we go explore some possibilities before we make a decision. Did you get that? But why I'm telling you this one is because the reason I believe that a lot of these meetings take forever and they're so draining is because people are in different modes. Anybody who's ever read Edward de Bono's Six Thinking Hats will notice when people are in different states, that's when meetings take a long time. Let's say that part of the room is going, oh, let's explore, let's come up with new ideas. And the other one's going, yeah, but we need to make a decision now. You can understand how there could be a bit of friction. By understanding where people are, so before you get into a session, understand first where they are and then decide what you as a facilitator need to do, because these will require different things. If you are preparing a decision-making session or a meeting, check whether you have all the information. Do you have everything yet? Is everything there for you to make a decision? Let's say asking, let's say that there's a lot of information you don't know about yet. Would it not be a good time to spend time structuring the questions as a way to ask questions? It's more to understand that there are different types of meetings and you need to facilitate that in a different way. You need to prepare for those in a different way. And even on our innovation projects, all of these things pop up. So many people think that innovation is just about, like having ideas. It's not. All these things come in place. There is a time where we share stuff we've learned. There is a time where we need to ask questions. And let's say that we have a couple of solutions. We have 3, 4, 5 solutions around that brief. But then it's time to make a decision and then say which are the ones we are going to put money behind and invest in for the next so many months. So as of now, think through this for every meeting that you have. And again, one meeting can have several parts, but you need to make sure that everybody is in that same mode at the same time. That will make sure that your meetings go a lot smoother and you will look like a rock star with great hair. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you next time.